Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Now today's topic is how to construct an angle of 270 degree. Okay, so student, let's start. For that, what we need a ruler and a compass. So these two will do. Obviously, we need a protractor. So why? At the end of the constructions, we need to check it whether we have constructed the angle of 270 degree correctly or not. Okay. Now, let's first get the concept and we'll start constructing the angle. Okay. Now, see 270 degree, right? So if drop a 90, then again this is 180. Got it? So if you extend this OA to the left hand side, you'll get 180. Then again, if you drop a 90 here, so 90, 90, 180 plus 90 is 270. So what we have? So 90 plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 270 degree. So if you drop a 90 here, then a 90 here, then a 90 here, so you will get 270 degree. So at the end of the concept, so what stands out? If I drop a 90 here, that will do, because the whole angle, the entire angle will be 270 degree. Okay. Now this is 270 degree is such an angle which is greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. So this is a reflex angle. So this is a reflex angle. So this is a reflex angle. So we are going to construct another reflex angle today, 270 degree. Okay. So we have seen 210 degree. So today we'll see 270 degree. But how to construct it in a very simple and a faster way? Okay. So we need to drop an angle 90 degree here, right? Got it, student? Simple and plain. From the vertex O, see, I have already constructed the arm of an angle AO, and I'll be dropping an angle 90 degree from O, right? So let's see how to do it. So take a compass and take any radius. Okay. Now almost draw a complete angle, almost with the complete arc, right? See, go on. Sorry, go on, go on, go on till here. Okay. So that will do. Now without changing the radius, see, this bigger arc has already has intersected AO at certain point. Now point the needle here and draw an arc intersecting the main arc. So go on. Again pointing here. See, second, again pointing here. The third, again pointing here. The fourth, again pointing here. The fifth. That will do. Now why that will do? Let's see. Now, so this is 60, because if I join this intersection point and O, you will get 60. Now this is again, this is 120 degree. Okay. So if I join this one and this one, you will get 120 degree. If I join this one and this one, you will get 180 degree. So you already got 180. Now obviously, so we are getting 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. So this one will be 240 degree. Okay. And this one will be 300 degree if I join this one and this one, right? Now I need to drop the 90 from here. See, from this point and this point. Okay. How to do it? So without changing the the radius of the compass, point the needle at 300 degree intersection, draw an arc below, again point the needle to 240 degree and intersect, right? Now point the mark the intersection point very carefully and join with O, right? So we'll name it as B. Now this is very clearly, you can see, student, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So and this one will be, so this one will be 270 degree. Got it? So this is a very simple way of constructing 270 degree. So what do you need to do? Plain and simple, you draw an arm of an angle. So point the compass in the vertex and take any radius of your choice and draw a bigger arc, okay, more than 300 degree, okay, without changing the radius of the compass. Point in the first intersection where the arc has intersected in the arm, and go on, constructing 60, 120, 180, 240, and 300. So pointing the needle and 300 and 240, draw an intersecting arc that will give you a 90 here in the below, and the entire reflex angle will be 270 degree. Okay, so this is a very simple construction, so one of the easiest constructions that you might face. Okay, so students, I guess you have followed my lecture. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. We'll soon meet with another construction video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.